Friends, welcome to my channel in the math and coding. Friends, our today lecture from the geometry. Friends, what is line? What is line segment? What is vertex? What is angle? We are going to learn what is line segment, what is vertex, what is angle. So friends, comes first, what is line? So friends, line. Friends, suppose this point is called a point, and the second point we have friends b. Friends, suppose we have 2 points, point a and point b. Friends, if I'm going to connect this point, suppose we have point a and the second point we have a b, sorry. Friends, suppose I am going to connect this point. If I want to connect these 2 points, suppose I'm going to connect point A to point B. If I'm going to connect these 2 points, so this is called line segment. Friends, this is called line segment. If we are going to connect for 2 points, this is called line segment. Suppose friends, point A, I am going to connect point B, so this is called line segment. We can say this is any point, or we can say this is any point. We can say these two are any points. We cannot say this is only any point. No, we can say these two are called any points. So friends, we can say if we want to connect two any points, so this is called line segment. Now friends, come to the what is line. So friends, suppose I am at my home. I am at my home. If I want to go to city, friends, I am at my home. If I want to go city, so friends, so suppose I am going to city from my home. So friends, so this is called city. So friends, this point is called at my home, and this point is called at city. Friends, I am at my home. I am going to at city. So friends, so from starting point at the destination, this is called a line. So friends, this is called a line. Friends, now I am at my home, but I'm going to at city. So this is called the line, because line have one ending point and the one direction. Line and one direction. So I'm going to from my home to city. So this is called a line, because this is one ending point and this is one starting point. So this is called a line, because line have a directions. So now come to the what is vertex. Now come to the vertex. So friends, vertex, this is line, this is line segment. We have learned line segment, line, and now we're going to learn what is vertex. So friends, vertex, suppose two lines, suppose line A, and we have the second lines. Suppose this is called line A, and we have second lines, line B. This is called line B. Suppose friends, we have line A and the second line B. So if the two lines meet each other, if the two lines connect each other, where it connects, this is called vertex. Friends, if the two lines meet each other, where it connects, this is called a vertex. So we can say this is a vertex. This is vertex. We are going to write the name vertex is O. Friends, we are going to write, suppose we are going to write the vertex name is O. Friends, what is vertex? Suppose line A we have, at second line we have B. These two lines connects each other. Where it connects, this point is called a vertex. So this is called vertex. So this is called vertex. Now friends, come to the angle. So friends, what is angle? Suppose So friend, what is angle? So friends, suppose these these two lines connect each other. This is called a vertex. If we are going to measure these lines, suppose 0 start from 0 degree, it goes to 90 degree. So this will be the angle. So friends, we are going to measure these two sides from 0 to 90 degrees. So this is called angle. It means this is measurement of 90 degree. So we can say this is angle. So friends, so thanks for watching.